Our national flag. Our national flag is the symbol of our pride, freedom, and independence. It represents the history of our nation and the sacrifices made by millions of people during the Liberation War of 1971. The flag is green with a red circle in the middle. The green color stands for the youth, freshness, and natural beauty of Bangladesh. The red circle symbolizes the blood of our martyrs who gave their lives for the country. Our national flag was officially adopted on January 17, 1972. It is hoisted on government buildings, schools, and other important institutions. On special days like Independence Day and Victory Day, it is flown everywhere with great respect. Every Bangladeshi feels proud when they see the national flag waving in the sky. It reminds us of our duty to love, respect, and serve our country with honesty and dedication. Our national flag is not just a piece of cloth. It is our identity, our emotion, and a source of unity for all Bangladeshi people.